Hey, it's Christina from Proven Winners ColorChoice Shrubs, and I'm out today for an afternoon walk, so let's see what the Riverside Garden looks like at this time of the day. And get to walk down today with comfort thanks to Dale Deppy, president of Spring Meadow Nursery, who snowblowed these paths for us. Look at that striking tree. Temple of Bloom, 7 sunflower. Let's go get a closer look. Now that's what I call interesting bark. It is practically glowing. Even in the snow, it's catching my eye. So this plant, Heptacodium, 7 sunflower, is incredible. It is loaded with interest. It flowers in the summertime, attracts pollinators, has an amazing fall show that is kind of wild. Fall bracts, they turn bright red, and obviously it has winter interest. So we're going to be visiting this a couple times throughout the year, and I'm going to try and convince some of you to grow it. It's hardy in zones 5 through 9, so a lot of us could have it in our gardens, and I'm kind of hoping to have it in my own garden. Because as you can tell, it's gorgeous. Might as well rename this series Temple of Bloom Appreciation. This is a great example of what a newly planted garden might look like. You've got things at kind of various stages of growth, but nothing really at its mature size. So if your garden looks like this, I'm excited for you. There's a lot to come. While we're here, this is a great time to talk about a common garden planting tool, which is to plant in multiples. So these 3 evergreens here look very handsome all together, and in front there are some lower growing spireas planted in a group, and this just really helps give your landscape a put together, kind of cohesive feeling. I got a question today from a home gardener about winter and roses, and I have 3 things to say on the topic. The first is mulch. Definitely mulch your rose and any other shrub that you're worried is sensitive in the fall. Give it a nice thick layer and help protect it from the winter chills. Definitely remove the mulch from around the stems come springtime. And the second thing I have to say is water. In the fall also, definitely give it a good drink of water before the ground freezes. And third, be ready to check your roses in the springtime. Just make sure that they don't have any dead, dying, or diseased branches. And if they do, remove them promptly. And that's it. So this is a planting of Oh So Easy double red rose. You can see what we did to prepare them for winter. Just a nice thick layer of mulch, and then an attentive eye in spring. I really look forward to seeing these in summertime, so we'll definitely be checking back in with these. It's nice to see the river flowing again. This is a Viburnum that we're trialing, and I wanted to show it to you because of the insane contrast between the bottom and the tops of the leaves. More of the same Viburnum. We are definitely going to have to come back here in the springtime to see what it's up to. Turns out that the garden in the afternoon is just as beautiful. So a much easier walk this week thanks to Dale and the snowblower, so thanks for doing that, Dale. And for any home gardeners who have any questions or want to see something in particular next week, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you again soon.